Hello everyone and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you are new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you will consider sticking around and subscribing, and if you do, make sure you introduce yourself in the comments all the way at the bottom so that I can get to know you. So I'm sure from the title of this video you can tell I'm going to be talking about how I do this easy, salon quality French manicure, all from the comfort and convenience of my own home. I am not one of those girls that always has their nails done, but for things like vacations and weddings or holidays, I really like having a nice manicure. But I really want it to last. I don't want to go through all the effort of doing my nails just to have it chipped 2 or 3 days later. So I kept hearing over and over and over about these amazing Kiss press-on nails, and I tried them about a year ago, and honestly I didn't love them. I thought they looked cloudy and they would be popping off. It was a mess. Anyways, I thought I must be doing something wrong, and as it turns out I was. So I combined all the tips that I could find about how to get these to last, and now I can get this manicure to be looking fresh and fabulous for over 2 weeks, and I'm going to be sharing all those tips with you and showing you how I do it step by step by step. So in fact, I just got back from a trip to Orlando, and I did this manicure over 1 week ago, and you would never know that I didn't just come from the salon because it still looks amazing, and I know it's going to look just like this for at least another week. And I did this in about 15 minutes, again, from the comfort of my own home, and because I got these on Amazon, they were so inexpensive and I saved a ton of money. I'll link them in the description box if you are interested in trying them, but you can also find them at most drugstores. So before we get started with putting them on, I want to share with you the first and one of the most important tips, and that is in regards to the timing of when you put them on. It is really, really important to have your nails completely dry for 3 to 4 hours before you put them on. So I find the best time to put them on is right before you go to bed, because you also need them to stay dry for 3 to 4 hours after you put them on. So after dinner, I skip doing the dishes. That's hubby's job that night. I'm not giving the kids a bath. I'm doing whatever I can to keep my nails, my natural nails, completely dry. And then around 10 o'clock, a little bit before I go to bed, that's when I put them on, and then I go right to bed, and in the morning when I wake up, they are ready to go. You can get them wet, you can get in the shower, it doesn't matter, they are not coming off until you want to take them off.
So the Kiss nail kit does come with everything that you need, but I just find it easier to use some of my own tools, like my cuticle tools, my coarse nail file, and I really like buying a little bit of a higher quality nail glue. This one is $2 on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. Alright, so the very first thing that you need to do is fit your nails. And all of the nails have a number on the little tab, and it's really helpful if you write it down and keep it somewhere safe so that you don't have to refit it the next time you want to do it. After you fit your nails, you want to start on your cuticles. And the kit comes with a little cuticle tool, but I already had my own. So you want to push your cuticle as far back as you can so that the artificial nail can go as far up as possible. I have this little cuticle cutter to trim them, but this is completely optional. Once your cuticles are done, you want to cut your natural nails very, very short. You can use a nail file just to smooth them out. Once your nails are cut, you want to use a very coarse nail file to buff the top of your natural nail. This is going to create some texture, and it will allow the artificial nail to adhere really well. After you've buffed and textured your nail, you want to add a few drops of glue to the back of the artificial nail, but be careful to avoid the French tip completely. Then cover your natural nail with the glue. A really important tip is to use a new nail glue every single time. It's just not going to work as well if you're reusing it over and over. Luckily, nail glue is really inexpensive. The one that I'm using here, I got for $2 on Amazon. So it's worth it for me to get a little bit of a higher quality nail glue than the one that comes in the package if I'm going to get a much better result. Now that both nails have the nail glue applied, you want to apply the nail all the way up to your nail bed. Hold each nail in place for at least 30 seconds. This is super important. Do not let go before 30 seconds. You want to apply your nails to your thumbs last, since you'll probably be using your thumb to press down on the other nails. If there's any extra glue that seeps out the sides, just use a tissue to quickly wipe it away. Once all your nails are applied, just bend off the numbered tab and use a nail file to file off any rough edges. Again, you want to keep your nails completely dry for at least 3 to 4 hours. That's why I'm doing this at night, right before I go to bed.
Okay, so that is it. I told you it was easy. I told you it would be quick. You can definitely do this yourself and get the same amazing manicure at your home. When you are ready to take them off, all you want to do is soak them in some non-acetone nail polish remover. Just let those soak for about 10 minutes and then you can use that cuticle tool that comes right in the package to gently pry off the nail. So I really hope that you found this video helpful and that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'm going to see you on Thursday with another video. Bye guys!